Marketing is the possibility of promoting your commercial proposals through prominent personalities in social networks. This technique is bright and effective for a very simple reason. People trust the influencer's opinion almost as much as that of their relatives or friends. Influencer marketing is one of the most effective current techniques to promote products and increase your sales. Promote your proposal commercials in a very effective way before a specific audience. There is an ideal strategy for smaller businesses, the microinfluencer marketing. A microinfluencer is an influential personality within social networks, but on a smaller scale, which enjoys a good reputation and great number of followers within a specific field. They include, for example, prominent bloggers and social media experts. To find micro-influencers that help promote your business, you can use hashtags and investigate these tags on social networks to find users who are already interested in your products. Search in your list of followers, since they are the ones who have a larger audience. Choosing a micro-influencer among your followers makes it easier to convince them to promote your brand. Search Google bloggers in your city. Be specific in your search. By, for example, if you have a vegetarian restaurant, look for a vegetarian blogger in the city. Once you find the most suitable profile for your business, analyze if they publish regularly, since consistency is essential to maintain a social media account on the rise. Check your photos, the number of likes and comments. Ask yourself and analyze if people tag other users in the comments. Or maybe if the micro-influencer answers user questions. The interaction between the micro-influencer and its audience is essential to achieve effectiveness. Payment for a micro-influencer can be by publication, offering free kits of their products or special promotions. Regarding the mode of payment, another possibility of great benefit is to propose to the micro-influencer that they use a specific link or code to promote your products to your audience. And that way the payment can depend on how many followers follow that link to make a purchase.